So when do IT side compromises end up leading to OT attacks or OT compromises? One thing to know is based on your SCADA system, you may have different levels of trust relationship between the OT side and the IT side, between that industrial and IT side. Some good examples of this is certain SCADA systems and control systems rely on protocols like SMB file shares that are required often across user accounts. Sometimes the domains may be shared across, maybe the network's flatter than you think. We go out and see a lot of often flat networks in the field, right? So understanding like, hey, sometimes there are those shared Active Directory relationships. Sometimes there are those shared VPNs. Sometimes the DMZ isn't that strong, or you have a firewall that's more of a router, right? It doesn't have the rules to actually stop what that IT attack is coming in. Oftentimes you see this with ransomware, right? You have ransomware groups that may not intend to target OT, but their tools end up there based on how they perform their attack or pivot into that environment. Sometimes they incidentally end up on the OT side just because of that relationship between IT and OT. So it's important to know, like, sometimes, yes, there is an attacker that's deliberately like, let me get into the IT side to pivot into the OT side. Sometimes though, it happens incidentally that an attacker ends up there because of a trust relationship they either didn't know about, or maybe they did and they took that to their advantage. So this is a good example where IT side compromises can actually get into the industrial side of a network.